In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your chat history in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what you're seeing, and a few helpful tips to make getting back to past conversations quick and stress-free. First, picture the main Grok AI interface you use to chat. Along the left edge of the screen, there's a vertical side panel with a few simple icons stacked from top to bottom. This panel is your navigation hub, and each icon opens a different view. The one we care about today looks like a small clock or timepiece. That clock represents your chat history, and it's where all your previous conversations are organized for easy reference. On the left side panel of the page, click the clock icon to see your history. Once you open it, you'll land on a clean list of your previous chats. Typically, the most recent conversations appear at the top, progressing backward in time as you scroll. Each entry usually includes a short title or the opening line of the conversation and a timestamp so you can quickly recognize what you're looking for. You might also notice a subtle preview that helps jog your memory before you dive back in. If your version of the interface includes a search field or filters, those are there to help you narrow things down when you have a lot of threads. Think of this view as your personal archive, a place to review ideas, pick up where you left off, or compare answers you've explored on a topic. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Your history is tied to your account, so if you move between devices or browsers, you'll see the same list as long as you're signed in. If you organize your chats by starting new threads for different topics, they'll be much easier to find later. And if you're handling sensitive topics, keep in mind that history is designed for convenience. Treat it like a notebook you might reference later and avoid storing anything you wouldn't want saved. If you don't immediately see the clock icon, it could be that your window is too narrow or the side panel is minimized. Widening the browser or hovering near the left edge typically reveals the panel so you can access the icon. That's all there is to it. The history view is simple by design, but incredibly powerful when you need to revisit an answer, continue a project, or verify what you asked before. Give it a try the next time you're in Grok, and you'll never lose track of a great conversation again.